Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Rose. I hope you guys are having a very happy Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my egusi soup. Yes, you heard me right, egusi soup. So in here I have a cow leg. I have cow leg that I'm trying to boil. I have in here onions, some garlic, some seasoning cubes, powdered onion, and of course fresh onion. So stay tuned and I should take you step by step on how I make it. So here I have a stockfish that I already boiled. Okporoko. It's popularly known as Okporoko in Nigeria. It's stockfish. So I already boiled it and it's ready to go. And here I have some dried fish. I bought them fresh from an Asian fish market, and I dry them in the oven. It took me a couple of hours to dry them like this. So I like to dry my fresh fish by myself, because the ones we normally buy from African stores, some of them have, like, you know, some, who knows what they are, like some stuff that I don't like anyway. So I do like to make it myself, and this is what I have. This is tilapia, and this is kingfish or Spanish mackerel. Also, I have in here some good meat. I also bought them from African store. So anyway, stay tuned and keep watching. So I have in here some good meat, already seasoned with curry powder, thyme leaves, adobo seasoning, garlic, fresh onions, seasoning cubes, and some ginger. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. I'm gonna boil it for like 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'll bring it out and bake it in the oven for another 5 minutes. Just stay tuned and keep watching. So here I have some tomatoes, onions, some garlic, and some habanero peppers or fresh peppers. So I'm gonna blend them, and this is gonna be part of the meal. So stay tuned and keep watching. So my good meat is ready right now. So I'm gonna bring them out, put them in a foil pan, and then I'll put them in the oven for like 5 minutes to brown up. All right, the boiled goat meat is now ready, and I have it in the pan. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes. So I have my palm oil getting ready. So I have my oil in here and my blended onion that I'm frying right now. I'm going to turn it around, mix it for the next 30 seconds to a minute. I don't like frying my onion too much, so just enough. So just keep in mind that the amount of oil you should be using will depend on how much egusi you have. So keep that in mind. The more egusi you have, the more oil you should add. Okay, so next I'm going to add my blended tomato, pepper and onions, and also some garlic. So next I'm going to cover the pot and allow the tomatoes to cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So now it's been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm just going to mix it. That's why I said 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes, and then I'll continue. Okay, so it's been cooking for like 10 minutes now. So I'm going to pour in my blended egusi that I mixed up. Okay, so here's my egusi, properly blended, and I added some blended garlic, onions. Okay, so now I'm gonna add it. Okay, this is how I'm doing it. And just so you know, this is a non-fried egusi soup. So I did not fry the egusi. That's why I'm doing it like this. So you may choose to fry yours. I'm going to make another video of how I fry my egusi. But the non-fried egusi is done this way. At least that's how I do mine. I'm going to cover it for the next 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, at this point it's been frying now for about 12 minutes. I actually fried it a little longer than I anticipated. Fried it for 12 minutes altogether. I'm going to leave it again for another couple of minutes, so it's going to be about 60 minutes 15 minutes altogether. But again, you can fry it as long as you want, but I'm doing it as I go. Egusi has been cooking for a total of 15 minutes and it looks good so far. So I'm going to start adding all my other ingredients like fish, meat, and all whatnot. All right, stay tuned. So I've added my seasoning cube, a teaspoon of crayfish, blended crayfish, and also a half a teaspoon of ogiri or locust bean. Again, it's ogiri or locust bean. So those have been added in here, and I'm going to cover it for another minute or so. So I've added my beef stock, the water from the goat meat that I cooked. So, and I'm adding some stockfish that I also blended. I'm gonna add some water from the stockfish for now. Also, I'll be adding some of my cow leg or cow feet. You can also add pomo in place of cow feet or cow leg. You can add pomo, but I don't have pomo or cow skin, so I'm adding cow leg. And also you can add both cow leg and cow feet. It doesn't matter, so long as whichever one you have, you can add both of them or just one or the other. Okay. I'm also going to be adding my fish, the fish I made from my fresh fish. Like I said earlier, I like the fresh fish. I buy it from the fresh fish market, and then I dry it in my oven, and then that's how I get my dry fish. So at this time, I'm gonna put add the goat meat. Okay, I've added some already. Unfortunately, I didn't take that video, so I'm gonna add some more. So I'm gonna mix it, give it a good mix. I'm gonna cover it up for the next 2 to 5 minutes and I'll be back. At this point, I'm gonna add my vegetable, and that's bitter leaf. Okay, I'm gonna add bitter leaf. I'm gonna give it a good mix, and then I'll leave it to boil for the next 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add more seasoning cube. So this is my Goya seasoning. I'll give it a good mix. So my egusi is ready. Oh my God, look at it. So looking so delicious. Anyways, so this is it. I think you should try it. Try my recipe, try my video, watch it, comment. If you have to critique me, please do so. Tell me what I'm doing wrong and tell me how I could do better. And also, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please tell your friends, share my videos to your friends and family. Have them subscribe to my channel and help me build my channel. Once again, thank you so much to those who subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, please feel free again to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Thank you.